Hello everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick update about my YouTube channel and why I haven't posted any FPV video in the last week or two, and what's up with the RC car videos and what else am I working on. So I'll give you a really quick sneak peek. The weather's been really nice lately, so I've gotten out and done a bunch of flying. I did some car chasing with Justin, some fireworks, and I've done some testing with the new GoPro Hero 7. And I've been putting the Hero 7 on an RC car and racing it around the track. And as you guys may have noticed, last weekend was the first weekend of the Shamrock RC car races. So roughly every other weekend or so, I'll be down there, hopefully recording the races, and then I usually post them up on my channel that night. So if you're one of my followers who's mostly here for my FPV videos, go ahead and ignore the RC car races. I totally understand that. And if you're one of the people who are here watching my channel because you really like watching the RC car races, you might be seeing some FPV footage here and there sprinkled on my channel. I generally post the RC car race videos the night after the race. So just go ahead and watch the videos you like and ignore the ones you don't care about. I think that's all I've got coming up in the short term. It's been so nice out lately that I've had a hard time sitting at my computer and trying to edit videos when it's so beautiful. Instead, like tonight, I'm out here on my bike, going for a bike ride. But when it gets dark and I get home, hopefully I'll get a chance to do some more editing. Catch you guys later.